Lion King roars with pride, eyes red. I am the only king in this forest. The sky trembles with my roar, the ground trembles with the sound of my footsteps. And now I see a flock of birds flying in that sky. They sing, smack their lips, and dance to the smell of kitchery. This cannot go on. One day I was sleeping, a bird woke me up by singing from above my head. Tan tan tan, and shook my ears. If I am the king, how can the birds have the courage to sit down? Issue the order now. The sky of the forest has been declared a no-flying zone. Any bird that flies will be tied up and brought down to the ground. Exemplary punishment. Fox, Lion's minister, jumping up and flatteringly. Sir, you are as bright as a star in the sky. If you say so, I will build a fence with bamboo poles in the sky. Letting birds fly means putting dust on us. Wherever the Lion King walks, birds fly there. Is this a matter of honor? Rajamshai, I will make a declaration right now. If you are caught flying in the sky, your beak will be locked, your wings will be tied. Fox, Lion's minister, jumping up and flatteringly. Sir, you are as bright as a star in the sky. If you say so, I will build a fence with bamboo poles in the sky. Letting birds fly means putting dust on us. Wherever the Lion King walks, birds fly there. Is this a matter of honor? Rajamshai, I will make a declaration right now. If you are caught flying in the sky, your beak will be locked, your wings will be tied. Owl, leader of the birds, in a serious voice. Friends, today we are standing in a difficult time. The animals of the forest are trying to take away the right that we were born to fly in the sky. This forest is not only the land, the sky is also a part of it. And the sky means the freedom of the birds. The Lion King thinks that if we roar, everyone will curl up. But we parrots, pigeons, we are the children of the sky. We wake up the wind by singing, we love sitting on flowers, we spread our wings in the sky like kites. If we remain silent today, tomorrow they will cut off our lips. So I say, friends, this time the roar will come from the lips of the birds. Pigeon, spreading colorful wings, jumping with excitement. Oh, Panchadada. I'm standing on one leg after hearing that. Is this a lion or a king? The king loves, protects, wears a garland around his neck. And he's threatening. Well, yesterday I was flying over the lion's head, suddenly I gave him a pinch of air. He rubbed his eyes and jumped up. His fear is stuck in my wings. Come on, birds. Let's play the tune of the sky and blow the war trumpet now. I'm oiling my wings, clearing my throat, and telling the birds, get ready. Your special weapon, the ribbon bomb. Tia Paki, in a serious voice, walking dramatically. Brothers, I have been wondering for a long time, what exactly is my job among the birds? I am black, no one likes my song. Everyone says, that crow has come, it means it will rain. But today I am proud. Because my duty in this war is the most important, dropping ribbons from the sky. This is no ordinary weapon. Once this ribbon falls on an elephant's head, it goes astray. When it falls on a tiger's eyes, it bursts into tears. My ribbons are strong, thick and terrifying. Come on, brothers, let's set off with the Crow Commando Army. Target: the tigers, elephants, foxes, and the lions that shake their ears.